Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Trimble C6 and we are at Ivory Farm, other side. And our first train is going to be a 365 for a Great Northern. So it's going to be something good like a freight train. Woody toot. And we've got nothing else coming, but you know, hey ho. Can't win them all, can ya? Right guys, see you shortly. Hello guys, the next train today is going to be a 365. And if you can't hear me, I'm just taking a photo of this as well. We're on montage. Can you hear me guys? Right guys, see you shortly. Okay guys, and the next train to pass by is going to be a Crewe Renault Class 387. This is going to be the 1545 service to London King's Cross, calling at Ashwell, Morden, Baldock, Letchworth, Hitchin, Stevenage, Nebworth, one in North, one in Guernsey, Hatfield, Potters Bar, Finch Park and King's Cross, I think. I'll get file of this one as well, so you may hear a little click noise. I'll get the numbers as well. Right guys, see you shortly. Okay guys, on the next train after that, 387 is going to be another train. I think it's going to be a 365 for this one. And it is, it's a... Hang on, no it isn't. Yeah it is, sorry. This is going to be the 47, sorry, service to Cambridge. Cornwall Stations to Cambridge, I think. Thank you very much, 528, 516. Guys, see you shortly. Okay guys, the next train's going to be a 387. Going to be the, oh, what's it going to be? I'll have a quick look. Going to be 1607 service to Cambridge, North, sorry. Try and get into Toot. And hopefully we'll have some expresses coming through. Lovely three-tone from 117. By the looks of it, that one's been repainted as well. That's good. Right guys, see you shortly. Okay guys, the next train's going to be a 387. Let's try and get him to blow the horn. Yeah, it's a 387. Sorry for the weird sort of farting noises guys. Just the fact that it's a motorbike passing by. So let's try and get this one to blow the horn. I think this one is going to be a drilled up pairing. Yeah, it is. And 121, sorry. There we go, 116 and 121. I'll go see you shortly. Okay guys, the next train day is going to be a 387. We've got two 387s and a black cat. Got a black cat coming up the track. I'm trying to get this one to Toot guys. Bring this one to triple that. No, it's just a double. One, two, three, 1, 2, 6. The signal's staying red, so the other 387 must be going. Which it is, it's just past Green Drift. Ah, here it comes. This is going to be 16, 17 service bound for King's Cross. The other one was a 16, 19 service to Cambridge. Or unless it's gone straight through. Yeah, it's gone straight through, so it won't be no service. 125. Just a single train. Yeah, 387's just gone straight. So guys, see you shortly. Okay guys, this is going to be our last train of the day. It's going to be our final 365 set, unless you get something else to turn up. Just suddenly comes behind us. But I highly doubt it. Try and get into toot, so say goodbye. But you won't toot. Thank you very much, 523 and 515. Right guys, thank you all very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace out. Bye bye.